Good morning children, welcome to the online class. In today's session, we will discuss about the landforms in Andhra Pradesh. Landforms. How many types are there? Mountains, plateaus and plains. What are they? Mountains, plateaus and plains. Three types of landforms are there and some more micro landforms are also there. That is, before going to that micro landforms, we will discuss about this major landforms. This in our Andhra Pradesh we won't have mountain ranges, we have only hill areas. These hilly areas are we found in Visayanagaram district, Visakhapatnam, and whereas East Godavari, West Godavari district, and in Chittoor district we find here. Here the land is not even. The land is not even, and it is very slopy, so agriculture is not possible there. But there will be soil will be always wet. That's why some type of plantation, particularly beverage crops like coffee or tea grown in this slopy hilly areas. In hilly area. Around this, the people, those who live nearby and around mountains or hills, we call them as the tribal people because the forests are surrounded by this. So the tribal people will live there. Then the tribal people, what they will do? They will do here in that forest area, they collect the forest products first thing, and some tribal people practice podu cultivation there. What is that? Podu cultivation. Podu. That means it is only we call as the shifting cultivation and jum cultivation and slash and burn cultivation also we use. What is the podu cultivation? Podu cultivation means they clear some forest area. They clear some patches of forest area and they burn that and they start agriculture after without using any manure or fertilizers. After using for 2 or 3 years, the soil loses its fertility. Then they leave that area and again they will go to another land. They will clear another land and there they will practice that agriculture. That type of agriculture we call as a podu agriculture. It was practiced by tribal people. That is going on with the tribal people and mountains are. Plateaus. In our Andhra Pradesh, whatever the plateau region is a part of Eastern Deccan Plateau. Eastern Deccan Plateau. It comes under Deccan Plateau. In this plateau region, like this plateau region comes under Deccan Plateau. In our Andhra, whatever the part we call as a Rayalaseema, it is in the plateau region. Here plateau region means a high level ground. In these areas are also, these areas receive low rainfall. Low rainfall because Deccan Plateau is in rain shadow region. It receives very less percentage of the rainfall. So the soil also won't be, it has the Deccan Plateau soils are black soil, laterite soil, black soil, laterite soil and red loamy sand soil will be there. Soils. These black soils we can observe, we can see these black soils in Kadapa and Kurnool district which are a part of Rayalaseema. Okay, next in red sand soil, red soils, it cannot hold much water. So it is not these are not suitable for agriculture much. And we know that in this region low rainfall. And these low rainfall, the people used to collect this rainfall. Whatever the rainfall is there, they wanted to conserve the water. In olden days, they used to dig the tanks to store the water, and that water only they use, and wells are dig to cultivate or for their purposes in this zone. And now digging wells also an expensive thing here, because they had to dig deeper and deeper when compared with the plains and there. So water is not available. So water resistant crops, whatever is there, they try to cultivate in this region. Particularly they grow pulses, groundnut, cotton. That means which requires the less water, that type of crops they will use. And if water is available or rainfall is available, that means enough rainfall or some rainfall is there, then they try to grow paddy also there for the crop rotation. And particularly this region, if rainfall is not sufficient or very less, then the government announces it as a drought hit areas. Then the government arranges some of the welfare measures to this zone people. Particularly this plateau region in our Andhra is a drought prone area. And the next topic we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.